Making the wrong choice between treating a cavity and extracting a tooth could cost you thousands of dollars and lead to permanent facial sagging. In 2026, the goal of modern dentistry is tooth preservation, yet many still choose extraction as a quick fix for dental pain. Today, we are breaking down the clinical reality. Should you save your natural tooth through restoration or prepare for a dental implant? Your natural teeth are essential for maintaining your jawbone structure. When you save a tooth through professional restorations, such as composite fillings or porcelain inlays, you prevent bone resorption and shifting teeth. Even with deep dental caries or pulpitis, modern root canal therapy can eliminate infection while keeping your tooth functional. Extraction should always be the absolute last resort, because once a tooth is gone, the biological cost is permanent. Before we discuss the red flags that mean a tooth is truly beyond saving, please subscribe to this channel for more evidence-based dental guides. If you have ever faced the difficult choice between an expensive treatment and a permanent extraction, leave a comment below and share your story. Send this video to a friend struggling with dental pain. Your engagement helps us share life-saving health information. However, some teeth cannot be saved. If decay has reached far below the gum line or if there is a vertical root fracture, extraction is the only safe option. Leaving a non-restorable necrotic tooth in your mouth can lead to dangerous dental abscesses and systemic inflammation. If extraction is necessary, immediate replacement with a titanium dental implant is the gold standard to prevent your bite from collapsing and your other teeth from tilting. Stop viewing extraction as a shortcut to ending pain. Every natural tooth you save is an investment in your long-term health and digestive function. Consult a restorative specialist to explore every repair option before you commit to losing a tooth forever. Your smile is your identity. Choose the technology and treatment that protects your future.